Hi, what we have today? Oh, December 10. I'm sick. From the beginning of the day I'm not feeling well because I have headache, and at least another problem go away. I still don't feel it, and I hope I will not feel it. I will take some diet, if I can say so, just to drink kefir, eat a yogurt, and maybe soft egg, because actually I want to eat desperately. I don't know, people, how you do this when you have some stomach problems and you need to follow to some diet just to be careful with the food. I can't. I really want to normal. Oh, what I want. I really want soup. I really want soup and pickles, cucumbers. That's it. Yes, if you are new here in my Vlogmas day 10, so we are human here. Oh, there is a birdie. Look, we have Frosty outside. It's the first time when I see this stuff, but there is no snow. It's just maybe a white ground, and that's it. I just wanted to tell you we all are humans, so, and we can be sick time to time too. Just this is not the best time ever, because I have this feeling that I got one virus after another one. So bad. But every day at the night when I'm going to sleep, I'm going with the hope that tomorrow will be better. In some moments it is so, but I managed it for today. I did, well, I woke up at 6 o'clock because my cat woke up me 15 minutes earlier than I should wake up, and this makes me super unhappy. But okay, I forgive her that, and I was very protective. I did all work. I was planning to drive for the linen fabric, but I decided, okay, let's check out again websites here in Latvia, and I found out one shop which I have been used time to time before, and there was quite okay price, and I just hope they will ship it out soon. And I decided, okay, we will not driving, and in this case I have a free day, so I tackled yesterday all my mini leather orders, and yeah, tomorrow I'm going to do some things in Riga city. Hope I will feel fine because I can't cancel it. But yes, and I will drive to the post office too, and yeah, and we're waiting for fabrics to work, and maybe tomorrow, maybe definitely on Thursday, I hope so. Therefore I have free day. Right now I have this condition. I just walk out my dog, but somehow after walks I feel a little bit better, fresher. So I decided we need to film this immediately, because I'm slowly feel that I'm going down. I want just to lie down and watch some YouTube channels, vlogmas, whatever there will be, and to feel that my headache goes away. And therefore, yes, let's open a day 10. Oh, I see already day 12. No, we need day 10. Ta-da! Wow! And let's open it. So, oh, can't wait to lie down. It's all what I can think right now, sorry. Oh my god. Oh, wow. So beautiful. It's a lot. Martina is very generous Advent elf, I will say so, because oh my god. See, there is 31 grams. It's almost a pair of socks. Just a little bit. I need to add a little bit and I will have a socks. And this is self-striping sock yarn by Drops. Wow. You know what? I never had buy sock yarn from Drops. I'm always buying some fancier yarn like mohair, like alpaca, brushed silk. What else? Flora I have bought, and that's it actually. Oh no, one more brand. On the letter A, but I don't remember a title of that yarn, but I remember I bought in dark blue, navy blue color, and it colored my wooden needles. But this is very interesting. Wow. Let's think. Do I want a socks or do I want to put in the project? Because I love this green color a lot, and I think in my idea of the Advent project this will gonna be great. Yay! Small happiness in this dark times. Okay, it's not so dark, it's normal to be sick time to time. It is how it is. So yesterday I was planning that I will knit my festival sweater, but I didn't because there is a new stitch and I need to just deep in with my mind, and I'm not ready for that because again after I filmed I got less good in health than I was when I was filming. I hope this not gonna happen today because it's a bad scenario. Oh my god. But I wanted to knit very much and I was like sitting in the couch, very unhappy human, but I knitted this scarf very slowly. I knitted till moment that I felt I'm super sleepy and I need to go to sleep. And this much I have. It didn't grow a lot, but piece by piece it's coming up, so very great. And in the evening I need to take a walk to the local shop to buy sweets for my kids. This year I prepared very badly because usually I about a bunch of sweets like for almost all 24 days, but not this time. Bad to me. So okay, I will rest. I think I will knit it today too. We'll see how I feel. Maybe I will get back to my festival sweater too and to the socks. But for now I will finish and enjoy my resting time because it's not for many hours left. Then they will came kids, and yes, they are like quite grown up teenagers, but anyways they ask attention, they need something all the time from me, so I just wanted to take a peaceful moment for myself. I hope you had amazing December 10. Bye.